Access granted.
What is up, you shoe fanatics? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to cop the Jordan 1 woman's snakeskin, releasing this Thursday, August 6th. First things first, guys, the shoe is going to be releasing in toddler, preschool, and women's sizing. The retail price for each shoe is going to be as follows. Toddler version is going to be $60, but after taxes is going to be $72. After the preschool sizing is going to be $80, but after taxes is going to be $92. And then of course, the ultimate one is going to be the Jordan Women's ones, obviously retail at $170, and then after taxes is going to be about $182 or $183 depending on your location and your tax bracket. Now the resale prediction on each shoe is going to be different. So I personally don't believe that the toddler size and the preschool size are good to resell unless you have local buyers who are willing to buy these shoe sizes in toddler or preschools. But my main concern is always going to be buying the Jordan 1 Women's because that's usually the best ones to go for. Now the profits on the Jordan 1 Women's version is going to be all good for each and every size. I'm going to be showing you guys a quick little video right here on StockX of what the pre-market is right now, which I believe is between $280 to $300. But after the date is set and done, I think the shoe is going to be between $260 to $280, and if we're lucky, maybe $300 because this is a snakeskin version, which tends to go up a lot more. And then also because of the colorway, which is red and black, so it also increases the chances depending on where your location is or how much it's going to be. Like for example, I am from Chicago, Illinois, so black and red are big major colorways for us. So I do believe this item is going to be really super hyped. And I do believe that the resale price, like I said, is going to be between $260 to $300 on any size from the women's Jordan 1. Now guys, I always recommend that you guys always sell locally. I would do pre-orders, whether you have an Instagram account that you're marketing on or you have a Facebook group that you're going to go on. For example, I live in Chicago, so I have something called Cream and Juliet Creamers. So those are usually where I get my pre-orders from, or I already have clientele from the Chinese Asian market, people that I know from SneakerCon events or any sneaker event that I usually go to. So first things first, guys, obviously if you guys are new to sneaker buying or just getting shoes in general, any Jordan 1 always increases value throughout time, but it just really depends on how much money you can save during that time or how much money you can hold. Because obviously when you hold the shoe, you have money basically just sitting there, and obviously depending on how long you hold it, it can either increase and it will never usually decrease on the price that you get it. So Jordan 1s are always increasing in value. If you look at any other of the charts from any other different Jordan 1 release, between 3 to 4 months later on a specific release date, it usually increases between $60 to $120 depending on the shoe. Or if a celebrity usually wears a specific shoe or a documentary or something like that, I noticed that the value also increases as well. So if you are going to buy Jordan 1s, like I said, I recommend you guys buying any single pair or size. There's always going to be the hype for Jordan 1s, so you have nothing to lose because you're always going to gain profit with any sizing as available. So basically, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to get the in-store for retail, what I do usually, which I already showed you guys in the previous video, but do it again because sometimes people don't understand this, so I'm going to go ahead and go through it. So first things first, guys, you guys want to download the app Champs, Foot Locker, Foot Action, or Eastbay. After you're said and done there, you want to make sure you guys create an account if you don't have one. Now, if you guys don't have an account, the only way I would recommend you guys even going for reservation is to increase your account before you even start going for reservations, because usually people do is they have head starts on these reservations. Now, if you don't have a head start because you just created a new account, the chances of you actually reserving that thing is going to be super low, since your credits or your XP points, as the account should say, isn't all the way to the top. So for example, I have 3 accounts. All my accounts have 300,000 plus XP points. So I'm usually like the top bracket of me getting more shoes, since I do have a lot of head starts on my accounts. And it's a bigger chance because I shop so much with the companies that they like to favor the people that spend more money with that specific brand, like Foot Action, Foot Locker, and whatever else it might be. The other thing that I would recommend you guys doing is also creating a Finish Line account and then joining the release stuff. Obviously, I'm a little bit late on this since I am barely posting this video now. I did enter the raffle for the Finish Line thing, but unfortunately, I always take losses on there, even though I spend a lot of money with the Finish Line stuff. But I think it just randomized depending on who gets what. So I guess the best thing that I would recommend you doing is getting friends or family to create Finish Line accounts and then going ahead and entering for you at your local Finish Line store. Now, once that set is done, guys, once you have created your Foot Locker Foot Action account, now you have an account created. All you want to do basically, guys, is go onto any of those applications. So for example, I have Foot Locker launched up right now. I'm not sure if you guys can see this on the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and go onto releases, and then it's gonna show the women's Jordan 1 AJ1 highs, which I'm gonna be clicking on. You're gonna go ahead and click on complete entry form. That's right there. And then once you go to that, you want to click on the sizing. So like I said, guys, any size works between 5 through 12 in women's. Obviously, the higher sizes get more money since a lot of men want to buy these shoes. So I would definitely be going for a riskier version, I guess I could say. I would be going for the sizes 10 through 12. But keep in mind that those sizes 10 to 12 are probably a lot more limited than the smaller sizes. So if you want to play it safe, it's better off you guys go for a size 7.5 through 9, 9.5, if that. And then if you want to risk it to see if you're lucky enough to get a reservation in in-store, I would go through sizes 10 through 12. So once you get that stuff, click a size, any size, like I said. You're gonna go ahead and click on select stores. It's gonna give you a list of stores that are around your location right here. So once that occurs, guys, you're gonna go ahead and click on maybe a local store that you know a lot of volume is at. So when I say volume, I mean like a lot of shoppers, because usually big mall stores that have a lot of shoppers usually tend to get more inventory like that. So if you have a connection or someone that works at a place and you're able to get the inventory numbers, that also obviously helps. But if in that case, if you don't know, just go and click on any ones that are close by to your house and stuff like that, and see what the odds or chances are of you actually getting it. So obviously, guys, once you enter, you're gonna go click the stores, and then once that's done, you're gonna go ahead and click on head starts. You get 3 head starts. Each head start is, I believe, 1,000 XP points, so it's a total of 3,000 XP points. So once that's said and done, it basically increases your chances with another person that doesn't have any head starts. Now again, this doesn't always guarantee that you're gonna get the shoe, but like I said, it does increase your chances. So once that's done, guys, you're pretty much done with the in-store reservation, stuff like that. And you'll find out, I believe, Thursday night at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you guys are able to reserve them, you get a notification saying your reservation is ready or whatever. Click and see your result. Once you click on the result thing, it will say either A, if you won, B, if you got waitlisted, which means you still have the potential to get the shoe later that night, depending if someone does not confirm their reservation. So always have your phone on you, and if you get the notification and finally you are off the wait list, you are able to confirm the reservation. So make sure you guys keep that in mind for advice, because before, when I started buying or even just getting shoes in general, I wasn't aware about it. I was sleeping, and then I got the confirmation, but of course I was sleeping, so I wasn't able to get the shoe. So just something to keep your head up and have some information on. Now, let's move to the online release. So obviously, guys, I noticed through a lot of your questions and comments that you guys have been telling me or messaging me through my Instagram account or even on the section down below, you guys are still having trouble using either NSB, AIO, or any type of bot in general. So what I want to do actually after this video is set and done and creating whatever, I'm going to make 2 tutorials on the guides of what bots are the best. I'm also going to be explaining on another different video on how to become a reseller, because a lot of people always ask me, oh, how do you start doing this and that? So I want to give all the information I can to help you guys as a community, because you guys literally support me so much. I make these videos to help anyone that's out there who is trying to become an entrepreneur in the sneaker world, clothing brand world, or anything just in general, just to make a side hustle. So, and even if you guys don't have a bot, guys, you still have a chance to get them. I know JD Sports is a good one to go into, and as well as just regular Foot Locker and Foot Action. Now, it does take a lot of time if you're going manually. I'm not saying that you are gonna always cop manually online, but there is a 25% chance of you actually getting it, just depending on your connection speed, as well as how long you wait in the waiting room, basically. Don't be hesitant about you not having a bot and stuff. It is what it is. If you guys don't have the funds for that, like I said, I'm gonna make a video separately after this on how to become a reseller or how to become an entrepreneur, basically using sneakers, clothing, and anything else that I know as a side hustle to make you guys money. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit the like button. And if you guys can do me a huge favor, go ahead and put on that bell notification on, and as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. That helps completely. And I hope you guys got a lot of information from this video, and I wish you guys luck on Thursday, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you later.